audible to. Please start.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are fine and safe at your homes at this pandemic situation. I am Apurva Shaurya, Joint Secretary of Student Council 2019-20. Feels a very great honor for sharing my experience as being a student and representative of DAV College, Chandigarh. I would especially like to thank Principal Sir, Dean Student Welfare, that is Dipti Ma'am, Kiran Ma'am, and Navdeep Sir, and respected teacher, and all my dear loving friends for playing a very vital role and their support throughout my whole journey of 3 years in this college. Being a part of this institution, I feel very fortunate for such high quality education by such exceptional teaching faculty and well-built infrastructure provided with hostel accommodation for both boys and girls, library, ground and court for several sports and other curricular activities. As it builds the quality of our students, recently our institute also has been ranked best college in Chandigarh and also best college in sports and accredited with A grade by NAC Bangalore. And I am very glad for sharing this experience with you. And also like thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Apurva. May I request Sahil? Sahil, are you here? I think he has got disconnected. Can we have our Vice President SCA 2019-20, Rajat Puri, for sharing his experiences? Rajat, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I hope I am visible and audible to everyone who is present in this webinar.
Yeah.
Respected principals, sir, Honorable DSW, Dr. Kiran Huda, ma'am, Deepti, ma'am, Navneet, sir. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to share my experience in DAV College with the upcoming very talented lot of students who will join this institution. Today is 21st of July, and I still remember I joined this institution on 26th of July 2017. From that day onwards, when you enter into DAV, you enter as a normal student. But in your course, you evolve yourself and you develop your personality in a very positive manner in DAV. This thing I would like to say. Another thing which I would like to share with all of you, and I would like to clear some of your queries through my experience. I still like whenever anybody is about to get into a college, a lot of questions are there in our mind. And these questions are related that how will be the academics of this college, how will be the extra co-curricular activities, and how will be the environment that we will get. And what I feel is that in my 3 years of graduation, I have experienced almost everything in this college, being it academics, being it extra co-curricular activities, or being it the environment of this college. Because in the first year of my college, I have lived in the college hostel, and when we get into a hostel, it is like we have we have preconceived notions in our head that this thing will happen in the hostel, this thing will happen, seniors will do this, seniors will do that. But when I entered into DAV's hostel, into the BTC hostel, all the seniors whom I met, they were so helpful. They interacted with us like we were their younger brothers. They made us understand the entire system of the college, how the college. They helped us through everything, through every thick and thin, and in our academics as well. And then I would like to say that I got an opportunity to be in the executive council of one of the biggest societies of DAV College, that is the Economic Society, which many of the earlier speakers have mentioned about. And when you work in a society, you not only learn to work with a lot of people, but you also get the guidance of the teachers. Your teachers not only guide you as your mentors, but they also work like your colleagues and also like cover up your mistakes like your friends. You develop such a good bond with your teachers when you work in these societies and preparing for big events of societies. Like I remember in my first year of the college, I prepared for the VIC, that is the Visualize, Idealize, and Conceptualize, in which we got many speakers like Mr. Girish Gugoya, who is a 90% paralyzed person, and then we also had Mr. Vikas Atri. There were so many great speakers, and they shared their experiences and they motivated all the students in the college. Then, in the second year of my graduation, I still remember when I was in the executive body, I learned how to manage events, and we conducted the DAVC MUN. Many of you will be interested in debates and other events. And DAVC MUN was organized for the second time in college when I was in the executive body of the Economic Society. So in that event, we had participants from across the country, and the best thing was that it is very difficult to organize an event of such a large scale. But the spirit of DAV, that the reputation of our college is at stake, and you are the one who have to protect it and who has to raise that standard of your college. It is in your hands. So you work day and night. I still remember I used to stay in the college till 9 or 9:30 doing work, like making up things for DAVC MUN. And same was the case when I was an SCA member in 2019, 2020. At this time also, when we conducted Karawan, I still remember staying late up in the college preparing for the event. And also think many of us have spoken about elections, that how elections of DAV college are different. Like, elections are a festival of democracy, and in the similar manner, the elections in DAV college are celebrated like a festival, and it has been possible because of the proactive participation of the DSW in the last 2 years. Be it Deepti ma'am, be it Kiran Huda ma'am, all of them, they have made this thing, and it was because of their proactive participation that elections were conducted in such a smooth manner. And throughout, when you'll spend 3 years in this college, you will learn a lot. And I hope that many of you join this college. And one thing in the end that I would like to say is that many of you will complete your graduation and you'll leave this college, but the tag of being a DAVian will never leave you throughout your entire life. I will conclude with this. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to interact with the new students. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Rajat. Thank you, Vijay. God bless you. Sahil?
Thank you, Rajat. Thank you, Rajat.
Sahil is also here, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahil, please.
Greetings, everyone. Thank you for your presence in the webinar. I hope all of you are safe and sound. I, Sahil Thakur, General Secretary of CAV Student Council, feel immense pleasure for this gathering. I would like to thank Principal Sir, Dean Student Welfare, and all respected teachers and friends for their support throughout this journey. I am fortunate to be a part of this renowned institute with a high quality of education and a well-built infrastructure. I am glad to share with all of you that recently our institute has been awarded the top position in the Tri-City in the field of academic, sports, extracurricular and cultural activities. It shows the quality of our students as well as the hard work that our teachers put behind each one of us. Moreover, our institution also provides accommodation which is well equipped with facilities like mess, gymnasium, library and various kiosks. Other than this, students also enjoy a well equipped healthcare unit, canteen, laboratories and a healthy environment. All this has a huge impact on the overall development of the student, and at the same time allow parents to have faith in the institution. And at last, I would like to say that I am very proud to be a part of this prestigious institution, and I have also seen the positive changes in myself too. Thank you. Now I would like to introduce ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sahil. Thank you, Vijay. God bless you. Thank you. Now is the turn of our President SCA 2019-20, Lakshit. Lakshit, over to you, please. Share your experiences.
Ma'am, I am audible?
Hanji, you are.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, Honorable Principal Sir, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. It's a matter of absolute privilege for me to have got a chance to represent the #1 college in Chandigarh during the session 2019-20. It could not have been possible without love and support of students. I would take some time to thank Principal Sir, DSW team, and all college teachers for their immeasurable support throughout my presidential tenure. COVID-19 has hit us very hard, and its impact on education system is unprecedented. As we have sitting home for close to 4 months, I feel so blessed and proud at the same time for all the efforts our college has been putting in to educate us all in this trying and tough time. I have been in constant touch with the presidents of other colleges and keep myself updated, and I can assure you without any doubt that our college leads them all by a huge margin. This culture of hard work by both the teachers and the student has put us on #1 spot of NIRF ranking. In my last 4 years at DAV, I have seen college progressing forward, and in this last year, it has grown exponentially by adding various societies like Modeling Club and Haryanvi Dance Group, and constant addition of various facilities for the good of the students. I was active in extracurricular activities when I was in school, and a bit tensed after my 12th exam about the fact whether I would be able to participate in such activities again. But when I came to DAV 4 years back, I was overjoyed to see a lot of societies, clubs, and groups which provide you way more exposure than you can ever imagine. Student grievance redressal has been my priority since my first day as college president. I remain in touch with the student both online and offline on various platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and problem of the student brought up to DSW team and Principal Sir, who are very active and fast in taking action to help the student get rid of their problem. And the one thing I love about our college is the acknowledgement and the appreciation that students get, and this is increased with the arrival of new Principal Sir. Principal Sir has brought a new spark which can be seen in various wins that our college has got in different events in last 1 year. For all those who are considering to take admission in DAV, I would like to tell you that if you are lucky enough to get admission in DAV, you would be sharing the campus which was once shared by legends like Vikram Batra, Yuvraj Singh, Ayushman Khurrana, and many IAS and IPS officers. This is the best place you can get in Chandigarh. I hope you get a chance to be a DAVian, and thank you for all your precious time. Have a nice day. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshit. Thank you so much. Your views and vision are really praiseworthy. You will surely empower them to become the future of tomorrow. Over to you, Kiran ma'am, now for discussions, deliberations and queries, please.
मैम एक चीज मेरे से छूट गई थी,
जी सर जी,
1 मिनट में और ले लूं तो, है ना?
जी सर, जी सर।
तो ये नए बच्चे हैं, इनको एक चीज हमने बतानी थी कि थोड़ी सी नेचुरली अल्टीमेटली, so one of the foremost thing that occupies their mind is the career prospectus after they graduate or complete their post graduation from colleges. So what kind of jobs they are going to get and what kind of employment is a possibility for them. So ultimately economics is the main idea which you keep on haunting the minds of the students all the time. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा सा मैंने बताना था कि हम लोगों ने लगातार कोशिश की है कि जो प्लेसमेंट सेल हमारा है वो और स्ट्रेंथन हो, वो और हम उसको एनरिच कर पाएँ। और पिछले 2 साल में तो हमने किया ही है, पहले भी करते थे हम, और लगातार उसकी जो स्ट्रेंथन उसको करने का नतीजा ये है कि पिछले बार हमारा एक मिशन था कि लगभग 500 बच्चा, लगभग जो 500-700 बच्चा हमारा लगभग हर साल यहाँ से एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टडीज़ कोई जॉब उनको ऑफर होते थे। तो इस बार हमारा था एम कि अप टू 1000 एटलीस्ट जो अच्छे जॉब्स हैं वो बच्चों को मिल जाएं। हम नहीं कर पाए, कोविड-19 बीच में आ गया, तो लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हम 400 के करीब बच्चों को जॉब्स दिलवा पाए अपने यहाँ पे जो प्लेसमेंट सेल है उसकी, जो लगातार कंपनीज को हम इन्वाइट करते हैं। और ये हमारी कोशिश तो यही है कि जो भी बच्चा यहाँ हमारे एडमिशन ले तो उस 2-3 साल जो हमारे पास लगाएगा उसके बाद वो इतना कुछ सीख जाए और हम उसके लिए ऐसी फैसिलिटेट करें कि वो यहाँ से जॉब उसकी जेब में हो, चाहे वो हायर एजुकेशन में जाए चाहे जॉब के लिए जाए, तो दोनों में से देयर शुड बी एन ऑप्शन दैट हैज़ टू बी विद द स्टूडेंट। तो ये हमारी लगातार कोशिश रहेगी और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इसमें हम कामयाब होंगे। तो जो भी बच्चे हमारे यहाँ पर एडमिशन लेते हैं तो they have to have this thing in mind that ultimately placement cell is going to be there to guide them through for future prospectus. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you, ma'am, please.
So the main queries are regarding the cutoff percentages in different courses. They are asking the questions and answering themselves. So they are asking what is the cutoff for different courses. So I'll just ask them to apply and hope all the best for them. And about the admission form, when will the admission forms be out? Then I answered you earlier also, and principal sir also addressed this query. You keep checking, contacting www.davchd.ac.in. Punjab University will issue notification and college is yet to release the prospectus. Maybe very soon.
Ma'am, just a brief intervention. Tomorrow there is going to be a meeting of the committee. I too have been added as part of that committee. So we are going to decide it tomorrow at 11 in a meeting that is going to be held by the committee constituted by the syndicate of the university. And in all probability from the 1st of next month, the admission process is going to start, and 27th or 28th, the portal is going to open. So the registration process is going to begin very soon in a few days, within 1 weekend, I think.
Thank you, sir. तो सभी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो साइट कॉलेज वेबसाइट पर चेक करते रहें. Again, repeating www.davchd.ac.in. इसके अलावा तो और कोई खास क्वेरीज हैं नहीं. That's it, Dipti. They basically queries admission की हैं.
Right, ma'am, right. This
There is another query. Is there any kind of entrance to be given to apply for BBA? You will get all the information from the prospectus. There is no entrance. It will be totally on merit. And another important question, will college start offline by September or October? Well, the college soon will start online, and we also wish and hope to see you offline. College should start very soon. Hope for the best. That's it. There are no much queries. Okay. It's okay. Thank you.
There is a question that I have just seen here. So, I mean, for different courses, what is going to be the mode of registration? That is the question I think I just noticed here. So we have to tell them that for BA, ultimately we people, the admissions are going to be carried out at college level. For graduation, for BA, they have to apply to the college website. And for other courses, so ultimately the admission is going to be carried out through the centralized admission portal of the government Chandigarh, DHED Chandigarh, Director of Higher Education Chandigarh, and information is going to be given on our website as well on that issue as well. लेकिन BA के लिए ये सबको बता दें कि BA जो में एडमिशन लेनी है वो that will be done by the college itself, और उनको हमारे कॉलेज की जो पोर्टल है वहाँ पर रजिस्टर करवाना पड़ेगा एडमिशन.
Okay. Another question, can we change our subject in final year? No, you cannot. You cannot change your subject in final year. Can students participate in fashion and model club? Yes, of course. We look forward to your participation. Come to the college. We are there for you. That's it, Dipti.
Okay, ma'am. Right. Thank you. Let me propose a formal vote of thanks now. Our respected principal sir has provided valuable information on everything about college, from its mission and vision to its facilities services offered by the college. I am extremely grateful to you, sir, for updating the worthy admission seekers. You are the pillar of strength and support behind our every humble endeavor. Heartfelt thanks to all my colleagues for being connected to this webinar. Special thanks to Pooja for always being there by my side. Thank you, Vivek, for handling the certificates part. I extend my best wishes for the alumni and wish them many more sterling achievements in life. Wishing all the admission seekers the best of everything in life. Almighty bless you in every way. Thank you all once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Deepti.
Thank you, ma'am. You can leave now. Thank you so much, everyone, for your patient participation. I hope everyone has filled the form. Everyone has clicked the feedback link and filled the form. If not, you can do it now as well.